Hi, my name is Dada
And my name is Caitlin.
at Plano Public Library. We are glad you could join us for slime time. So, let's talk about slime.
I love it. Do you think slime is a liquid or a solid?
It's neither.
You're right. Slime is a non-Newtonian fluid. A non-Newtonian fluid is neither a liquid or a solid. It can be picked up like a solid, but it will also ooze like a liquid. Slime does not have its own shape. You will notice your slime change its shape to fill whatever container you have available. However, it can also be bounced like a ball because of its elasticity.
Have you ever played with slime before?
Uh-huh.
What were some of the materials you used for slime?
Well, slime is all about polymers. A polymer is made up of very long chains of molecules. The glue used in slime is made up of long chains of polyvinyl acetate molecules, also known as PVA. That's why we use PVA glue like your Elmer's school glue. These chains then slide past one another fairly easily, which is why the glue keeps flowing, and then chemical bonds are formed when you mix the PVA glue and slime activator, like borax, saline solution, or liquid starch. It can change the position of the molecules in the glue in a process that is called cross-linking. A chemical reaction occurs between the glue and the borate ions, and slime is the new substance formed. Instead of flowing as freely as before, the molecules in the slime have become tangled and create what is known as slime. It's so cool.
So, are you ready to make some slime?
I mean, yeah.
So today we are going to make a glitter slime and shaving cream, actually fluffy slime. To make a glitter or fluffy slime, we will need glue, baking soda, food coloring, glitter, and shaving cream.
And saline solution.
That's the most important one to
It is.
actually make a slime.
Can't forget that.
Okay, so are you ready?
I am so ready.
Okay, we are going to make two different ones again. So the first one we are going to make in this bowl, so it's going to be really, really messy. So what we're going to need is glue, 4 tablespoons. And let's count together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that is a 4 tablespoons of glue. Let's add a pinch of baking soda. There we go. What else do we need?
I think we should add some color. don't you?
Yes, yes. Which one are we gonna add? Blue or green? What do you think?
Let's do green.
Okay, let's do green.
All right. How many drops?
How about 2 drops
Okay.
to start with?
1.
Let's just add 1 more just for fun. There we go.
All right. Is that it?
All I need is something else, and that's the most important thing.
I agree.
Yeah.
I think
Glitter.
we need glitter.
Let's add some glitter.
Now, how much glitter is enough? Just like a splash? Like a
Let's-
sprinkle? Just like
Add some more.
Oh, some more. Oh,
There you go. That looks good.
gotcha.
And don't forget a contact solution.
That's right.
And with the contact solution, start with a little bit, and then if you need more, you can always add some more. So we are going to start with the half of tablespoon. Okay, are you
And
ready
now?
to start mixing?
I am so ready.
Okay, here we go.
All right. Look at that glitter. Oh my
Ooh,
goodness.
look at that.
What a pretty color. And while we're
That looks
mixing,
so much fun. I hope you guys are doing the same thing at home. If not, you can always do it later if you didn't have your all of your ingredients at the moment. So just mix, mix, mix. Can you feel it already? Is it
Becoming
changing?
slimy.
Yeah, it looks
Our
slimy.
chemical reaction is occurring. And if you think this is fun, you should check out our EBSCO host databases for more fun science experiments, as well as some of our junior nonfiction collections, which also have a variety of fun crafts and projects.
Okay, that looks so much fun.
Oh my
Caitlin.
goodness. Look how slimy that is.
Okay, do you think we should start making one that's not messy? Because this one, kids are gonna actually start touching it in, and it's gonna be all over.
I definitely think we need a non-messy solution.
Okay, let's try that one.
Okay.
So what do we need for this one?
We need a Ziploc bag. And then
Right here?
we need the same supplies as before. You need 4 tablespoons of glue.
Okay, can you help me hold the Ziploc?
Absolutely. Let's count this together.
1, 2, 3, 4. Do you think they are counting at home with us?
I hope so.
Okay. Okay, what's next we're gonna add here? Remember, baking soda.
And remember, just a pinch. But if you do more than a pinch because your first swipe wasn't enough, that's okay.
There we go.
All right.
Okay, so this one we are gonna make blue because we already made the green here.
That's a
so
good
let's make the
idea.
blue one.
And you know what? I think we should do 4 drops this time.
Let's do it 4.
1,
2, 3, 4. 4.
All right.
Okay, so in this one, instead of glitter, we're gonna add a shaving cream. Let's not go over too much with the shaving cream because we are gonna have a messy solution again. But we don't want a messy one. There we go. I think that's gonna be enough. And the most important, yep, don't forget that one. And you guys know what this one is? Contact solution.
Same amount, half a tablespoon. Pour that in.
There
And
you
now it's the
go.
most important part.
Let's close the Ziploc, and we are going to squeeze the air out because we don't want mess to happen.
Make
We
sure it's
close it all tightly, and here we go. Mix, mix, mix.
so
Look at this. It's so
Look at
cool.
this.
It's changing color. It is already fluffy. Look at that.
And our hands are clean.
And no mess.
No mess.
No mess. This is perfect solution for you parents at home to do with your kids so they can actually play with the slime without mess.
However, sometimes mess is a lot of fun. And if you're like me and don't mind getting your hands in the mess, you can still pick up your slime and let it ooze all over.
And let's see what's happening with this one here. Look at that.
Oh,
Look at that. It's
So fluffy.
slimy and it's fluffy. And look. So the more you need it, better it is. If you need to add again some more contact solution, it's perfectly fine to get a perfect slime.
So today, thank you so much for joining us for our slime time. We hope to see you soon. Bye.
Bye.